Hi dear student, today we will teach about what is expectation value of a physical quantity. We can see that in physics we have to verify a physical quantity by a experimental data. We can say that if any quantity has any data, then we can measure, otherwise we are unable to measure that quantity. So in physics there is expectation value. It's the terms generated by quantum mechanics. That what is the mean of expectation value? Expectation value is called when we have a system of a lot of particle. For any physical quantity we are taking more than one observation, then the average value of that quantity is called expectation value. For example, if I have velocity of particle, here we have many particles, or I may have only single particle. For beautiful purpose I take just a single particles. From in this system, this is x axis, this is y axis, this is origin, and here z axis. When these particles moves with velocity v in single x directions, then what we have, it will changes its x coordinate. Okay, here I changes, yeah, that's good. If this is moved in x directions, then it will change its x coordinate. Here we can say that if there is a initial point A and last point B, particles move from A to B a fixed distance. If its particle moves more than one times, example for I have taken that it moves 100 times A to B, then any instant we are interested to find out what is the x coordinate of these particles at a time t equal to 2.5 seconds. Then what we will have in this condition, to find out expectations value of x, we have to take average value of all data which were taken by us. For example, if I have take 100 data, then what will do, I will take by simply x equal to velocity into time, it will give you x coordinate of the system. Then first, when it move first time, I will take x1, second time I find out x2, x3, and so on. Finally I will have x100. Then I will add all this data and take average of this. This will be called expectation value. But in quantum mechanics is just like similar to average value, but it is more beautiful to talk about expectation value in term of wave function. For example, here find the expectations value of a position of a particle having wave function psi equal to ax between x equal to 0 and 1, psi equal to 0 as well. It says that it's our x axis, here x equal to 0, here x equal to a. A wave function psi is defined in between this range and says that the value of psi equal to ax, means psi equal to ax between 0 to 1 interval. Outer this side less than 0 and upper than a, it's have its original value 0, psi equal to 0, where x less than 0 and x greater than a. So here we solve this problem. We are interested to find out expectation value. Then this is the sign of expectation value. Here what will we do? We take physical quantity x into the wave function which defines of a particle wave. Here it is given the psi and its normalized function and limit from where to where we are interested. We are interested to 0 to it is a equal to 1 here taken, and the integration of dx. Now we solve this. A square comes out the side and we have integration 0 to 1 x cube dx. After solving this, we have a square into x for 1 to 0 upon 4. By putting the value of x equal to 1, we have expectation value x equal to a square upon 4. It is just like a average value in classical mechanics, as here we are talking about in this case expectation value. I hope that you can understand what is the meaning of expectation value. Expectation value is nothing but then a average value of any physical quantity between two limits, or maybe at any instant, but we should not call it average value. We would like to talk or say that it is expectation value in quantum mechanics. Thanks. In next video we will talk about Ehrenfest theorem. It is also depend on expectation value, and it gives the relations between the physical quantity of any maybe x, p, energy, Hamiltonian, gives the relation between the classical mechanics and quantum mechanics. Thanks to a lot of